Hey beauty babes, welcome back to Hair by Kara, your spot for all things soft, glam and glow. Today, we're keeping it fresh and effortlessly stunning. From smooth blends to glossy lips, these looks are giving main character energy. So grab your brush, fix your hair, and let's get into it.
I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in on my heart if you want to. You can ask anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask. It's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in on my heart if you want to. You can ask anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess.
Blend it, blush it, slay it. Soft glam never looks this good. Let's get into it.
I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no secrets. No secrets, no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets.
And that's a wrap on today's glam session. If you had fun watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the glow with friends. From braids to nails and makeup, Hair by Kara's got your beauty fix every time. See you in the next one.